I bet you didn't know how crucial expert restroom care and hygiene are. Hey everyone, I want to introduce you to a certification course from the Academy of Cleaning Excellence. This course dives into a topic that might not be the most glamorous, but is absolutely crucial. Expert restroom care and hygiene. If you're in the commercial cleaning industry, stick around because these tips will elevate your game and make you a rock star. And in restroom maintenance. Restrooms, they're the ultimate test of health and safety for any building. Whether it's a shiny corporate tower, a school, or the church, the state of the restrooms often sets the tone for the entire place. And let's be honest, nobody likes a dirty, unhealthy restrooms. So, how does the Academy of Cleaning Excellence tackle this challenge? Well, it all starts with understanding the beast we're dealing with. Grout is the breeding ground for bacteria and grime. But fear not, with the right approach, you can keep it odor-free and hygienic. First off, it's essential to use the right procedures. It is about understanding when to use the right product, tools, and practice to get the right result. I mean professional-grade education, using specially formulated solutions designed for the tough stuff. Understanding that cleaning has to happen before a product can disinfect, ensuring that all those pesky germs are gone for good. It's not just about splashing some water and scrubber around. You need to have a system, a methodical way to ensure every inch of the restroom is covered. For instance, always apply solutions from the bottom up. Rinse from the top down. This way, the worst dirt and bacteria that is at the bottom gets the most dwell time. Now, let's talk frequency. Restrooms are high traffic areas, so regular cleaning isn't just advisable, it's paramount to provide healthy environments. Depending on the usage, you might need to clean several times a day. Yes, it sounds like a lot, but trust me, it's worth it. Regular cleaning prevents build-up and maintains a consistently clean environment. Missing restroom supplies are the #1 complaint. Regular checks for supplies like soap, towels, and tissue, and making sure everything is in working order can make a massive difference. Remember, a well-maintained restroom reflects highly on the entire facility. Lastly, education is power. The Academy of Cleaning Excellence offer comprehensive courses that not only teach you these skills, but also certify you as a top-notch cleaning professional. With a certification in hand from the Academy, you're not just doing a job, you're protecting health. So, whether you're looking for skills training or need online learning, the Academy has a course for you. Equip yourself with the right knowledge and you'll be the hero that every building needs. Thanks for watching, and let's keep those restrooms healthy and safe.